Hollywood. Let's go. New track. Crash. Lil Come say. Let's go. I think we kill this one.
Baby, I need you. Baby, you need me. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Baby, all we need is just a little bit. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go, wherever the wind takes us. But who knows, this might even make us more than we work. But this is how we learn from our mistake. Girl, there's no amount to how much love it takes. So let's go and forget the past. Let's hit the future like a rocket, take off the blast. Hop in and watch the lights over the morning tide. But don't be scared, girl, cause I'm by your side. Call that free time a nice vacation. As long as you're here, girl, I can't be patient. Cause I got you, you're here, I love you, that's dear. You think we'll be together in the 3,000th year? I mean, let's think for a second, that's really, really long. But nothing judges time as long as your love is strong. Let's just go, sit back, relax. I guess it's time for Crusade to hit the climax like
Baby, I need you. Baby, you need me. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Baby, all we need is just a little bit. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Hey, I remember a time you were so fine you declined me. More than a 9, you were 10 times 20. Said you had a man, but that still couldn't stop me. Baby, I need you and you need me, so let's go get it now. Every situation we were left in, lottery love, so unexpected. I know you felt it, but the way we had to live it like a secret, I can't believe it. All those silly kisses in the room, we were kids then. Now I get so many phone calls and you say it. You need me, and I'm like, I need you. So we laugh and giggle in the middle of our little conversations about the places we can go when we're famous. Big long trips on the shores with the sunsets. Flower in your hair, you're so fine and I love it.
Baby, I need you. Baby, you need me. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Baby, all we need is just a little bit. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So you need me, and I need you. I wanna take you out to get your favorite food. Cause you a dime, oh so fine. I'm just in my prime, doing work double time. You could be that one that's with me for the rest of my life. My wife, I think I'm willing to take a shot and shoot the dice. When we were together, I felt so right. Despite all the arguing and the fights, gotta make every day like that one night. With the candlelight, hat on the lingerie that I like. If you're ever down, I can make your day right. Take it to the place where the sun shines so bright. No more rain in your life, so Dizzy love to treat you right. If anyone touches you, that's the end of their life. I'm trying to get you with this rap, so I hope you listen and reply, cuz
Baby, I need you.